Hi, today I'm in front of you VIVO V21e and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So to do that, we should first launch Google app, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. After that, click to the voice section and tap to voice match. To activate Hey Google option, click once on the switcher and after that, click to next, read the description, click yes I agree and say OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Then tap to finish. Not now. And now when you'll say OK Google or Hey Google, we can see that this option successfully activated. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.